A professional GFRP rebar production line is not just one machine. It is a complete production system, where every module affects the strength, consistency, and market quality of the final rebar. In GFRP rebar manufacturing, quality is not created at the end of the line. It is created step by step, from the way the glass fibers are prepared, to how the resin penetrates the fiber bundle, to how the bar is formed, cured, cooled, and pulled. If one stage is weak, the final product can be weak. The process starts with glass fiber rovings. Before they become reinforcement, the fibers must be guided, aligned, and prepared for stable entry into the production line. Proper fiber handling helps reduce tension problems, uneven distribution, and production instability. The next critical stage is resin impregnation. This is where the glass fibers are saturated with resin to create the composite structure. For GFRP rebar, impregnation quality is one of the most important factors. The resin must reach the fibers properly, not only cover the outside. Composite-Tech has developed advanced impregnation technologies, including patented solutions, to improve fiber wet-out and production stability. After impregnation, the material must be shaped and calibrated. Excess resin must be controlled, the fiber bundle must be compacted, and the bar diameter must remain stable. This stage helps define consistency, geometry, and material efficiency. A GFRP rebar is not only a smooth composite rod, its surface profile is essential for mechanical bonding with concrete. That is why rib forming must be stable, repeatable, and adjustable. Composite-Tech production lines include rib forming systems designed to create a consistent external profile during continuous production. Curing is where the composite structure becomes stable. Inside the curing section, resin polymerization must be controlled by temperature, time, and production speed. Too little curing can create unstable product quality. Too much or uneven curing can reduce efficiency and consistency. A professional production line must balance speed, heat, and material behavior as one system. After curing, the bar must be cooled before it continues to the pulling and cutting stages. Controlled cooling helps stabilize the product and protect the downstream process. It is not an afterthought. It is part of the complete production system. The pulling system controls the continuous movement of the rebar through the line. Stable pulling is critical because the entire process depends on synchronized speed. If the pulling is unstable, the whole production line becomes unstable. At the end of the line, the finished GFRP rebar is cut, coiled, or prepared for packaging according to the customer's production model. This is where the controlled process becomes a market-ready product. Many production lines may look similar from the outside, but real performance comes from the engineering inside the process. Composite-Tech develops, tests, and patents its own technologies for professional GFRP rebar manufacturing. Our goal is not to build a machine that only looks like a production line. Our goal is to help customers build stable, repeatable, and scalable production. A professional GFRP rebar factory starts with a professional production system. If you want to manufacture corrosion-free composite reinforcement, Composite-Tech can help you build the complete factory, from equipment configuration to installation, training, and technical support.